Hey, Tech Nation, what's going on? So, just got off the phone with my brother, and he told me about a new website that everybody's going to want to get a part of. I don't care if you're a Mac user, you're a Chromebook user, you're a PC user, you're an Android user, you're an iOS user, any device, any tablet, any computer, device to device, it works on every device. And it's a website called Snapdrop. So let's jump over to where is it? Oh, I got to share my desktop for you guys. Share. All right, let me drop that down. Let's go to Snapdrop. Okay, and it's not snapdrop.com, it's snapdrop.net. Remember this website, you click it, and now it says open Snapdrop on your other device. So I'm going to do it right now. Hold on a minute. I'm recording on my computer and I'm recording on my phone at the same time. This is great. All right, so let's go to Google on my phone, and we're going to go to Snapdrop. Snapdrop. There we go. Go to Snapdrop. Now you see it shows me my Mac. It's connected already. I don't know how it knows. Oh, because it's the same account. I have no idea. I don't know, things know things that I can't figure out why. But as you can see on my laptop, it shows my iOS device. It's my phone. I'm going to send a video file over. Are you ready? So we go back to my phone. You just tap on Mac Chrome, tap, do photo library. And I'm going to choose one that I did recently. Let's do, this is just 32 seconds of me showing my salad. No, yeah, I'll show that. That one right there. Hit done. And it's sending it now, as you can see. See that little blue bar getting longer and longer? And then you go over to the laptop and you can see it's coming in. All right. It's working. It's almost done. It's a 30-second file. This is like AirDrop on iPhone, but this works with any device to any device. So file received. So let's, so we don't have to record anymore on the phone. Let's hit stop. All right. And then over here, if you go to download, let me hit download. Download. It's gonna, we'll put it in my downloads folder. Save. And it's downloading. Oh, it's already done. Let's check it out. See if it's there. Show and Finder. Did that video show? Okay, today I'm going with a red, white, and blue salad. Yep. The video of my salad came through perfectly. See how quick that was? That was a mere 30 seconds. Let me stop sharing here. Go back to the screen. That was like 30 seconds. So if you're going from an iPhone to a Chromecast to a PC to an Android, I mean, you took a picture and you want to dump it on your computer, just shoot it over through snapdrop.net. Is that amazing? Unbelievable. I just found out about it 5 minutes ago, so I decided to do a video real quick. Wanted to share it with you guys. Called snapdrop.net. Remember, not .com, .net. All right? I love you guys. Have fun with that. And then this way you can trade files with whoever you want. All you got to do is just be on the webpage, snapdrop.net. Okay? You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.